Before we go any further, I'm just going to mark these lines here on top of my fabric here so that we can see them. Okay. On my pocket, I've also marked the halfway point because we need to mark our position for the cam snap. So what we're going to do, we're going to place the folded edge up to these markers, making sure that everything's central. I think that's good. And I'm just going to put a little bit of tape just to hold that in place for the minute. Then we're going to place our flap so that the center of this part here lines up with that. So, and you want the stitch line to line up with the stitch line of the top of the bag. And again, I'm just going to place a bit of tape temporarily just to hold this in place while I do my marking. So I've now got a good idea of where my cam snap's going to go. I'm just going to roll it back to the cam snap and mark where the middle of the cam snap is, which is there. And then we can take these off. And we can set our cam snap in position. So as this is going to close, I'm going to put the button on the back of the flap and the snap on this side. So again, I'm just going to take my sharp stabby tool and push it through there and out the other side, taking care of course not to catch your fingers. Then I'm going to push the button through from the back and place the snap on the front, and the button goes in the black cup, the snap front goes into the silicone one, and then squeeze. And that's our cam snap all in position, ready to attach our front to our bag.